I want to make a video with this aeroplane. So, because it's very good aeroplane to start FPV.
That's
It
interesting.
responds very good, and also come with this cabin. See?
Oh, you put it in there?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It comes with a. You see, it has a hole in here. Huh?
Huh. Is that what that hole's for?
It's for that.
Ah.
See? Nobody knows. Many people have this airplane,
Yeah.
and they don't know that this is for that. You know,
Huh.
to do SPV.
Interesting.
So, you hook up here. You hook up the VTX, the transmitter. You know, you can do it together with a flight controller, but just separate is better
Yeah.
at the moment.
Can you imagine flying?
So I recommend this airplane if you want to start FPV with the airplane, because it's really flying an airplane when you are inside the airplane. When you do SPV, it's fantastic. So this is the one. It comes with this hood that you can hook it up here, any VTX with their own power, and the rest is in there. So we're gonna start it up and fly. So we gotta make sure that everything goes in the right way. It looks good. Let me see from the back. So everything looks good. The engine, I know it does. The motor works. It's off in a moment. We're gonna turn it on. The goggles. Gonna turn it on. The goggles. Goggles on. Now we're gonna plug it in. The camera here. Boom. That's it. And of course, we're gonna make sure that everything goes good in here. This, no, we're gonna tape it anyway. Dun, 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 dun. Here's the tape. All right, I'm gonna be in the air too. I wanna, maybe I can, you can go forward, and I see you in the. It's kind of windy, eh? So let me see. Here, in this moment, here it is. We love to do that things. And there's something else over there. Wow, nice. Do that again. Beautiful. Okay, let's go fly now. So, I'm gonna have to shut it off.